Welcome back, Future Medicos. Karnataka has released the round 1 results for medical admission for the year 2020 today, that is 25th November 2020. In this video, I'm going to cover the cutoff marks for the private seats, that is the seats that are mainly opted by the other state candidates, or OPN category, open category, or private seats. That's how we call the seats. I'm going to cover the cutoff marks for these seats, the fee structure for these seats, the cutoff in terms of All India rank, as well as the cutoff in terms of NEET marks I'm going to cover. So totally we have about 29 medical colleges that offer these private seats. So the first one, the top one is St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. This is also, by the way, the cheapest college in Bangalore. It offers MBBS at 6,28,670. So the first column shows you the fee structure per year. And the second one is the All India rank. So the cutoff in terms of All India rank, you can see that 9,136. And the NEET equivalent marks is 628. You can see that even though these are private seats, even though these are management quota seats, the cutoff is going to be extremely high for Karnataka private colleges. So the cutoff for St. John's Medical College, Bangalore is 628 marks. At number 2, we have Vaidehi Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. The fee structure for this college under private sector seats is 9,94,000. In fact, most of the colleges we are going to see the fee structure is about 9.94 lakhs or around 10 lakhs. The All India rank for this college, the cutoff is 13,828 and the NEET marks is 614. At number 3, we have MS Ramaya Medical College, Bangalore. Once again, the fee structure is 9.94 lakhs. All India rank in terms of cutoff is 15,835 and NEET marks 609. At number 4, we have BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences. The All India rank is 16,061 and NEET marks 609. At number 5, we have East Point College of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. All India rank 17,812, NEET mark 605. At number 6, we have Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. All India rank 18,075, NEET mark 604. One thing I want you all to take note that this is not a ranking. Okay, don't ever think cutoff is an indicator of ranking, because it may be close. I'm not saying no to that completely, but you also have to take into account other factors, because the number of seats in each college might be different. A college with lesser number of seats sometimes may have a higher cutoff, even though ranking wise that may not be a very good college. Okay, so don't blindly go by these cutoff as a ranking. Okay, but more or less it could be indicative, because in Bangalore, you know that St. John's and MS Ramaya, or most of the people prefer these two colleges. These two colleges are more popular than other colleges. So you can see that those are in the top 2 of the 3 colleges. And certainly this may not be the exact sequence in which you should decide the colleges. Not necessarily. At number 7, we have Mahadevappa Rampure Medical College, Gulbarga. All India rank 18,321, NEET marks 603. At number 8, we have AJ Institute of Medical Sciences, Mangalore. All India rank 18,856 and NEET marks 602. At number 9, we have Sabdagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. All India rank 18,864 and NEET marks again 602. At number 10, we have Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Bangalore. All India rank 18,940 and NEET marks 602. At number 11, we have Subbaiah Institute of Medical Sciences, Shimoga. All India rank 19,048, NEET marks 602. At number 12, we have Akash Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. All India rank 19,225 and NEET mark 601. At number 13, the Oxford Medical College, Bangalore, All India rank 19,783 and NEET marks 600. At number 14, Srinivasa Institute of Medical Research Center, Mangalore, All India rank 19,997 and NEET marks 600. At number 15, we have MVJ Medical College and Research Hospital, Bangalore, and the All India rank 20,190. NEET marks 599. At number 16, we have Father Muller Institute of Medical Education, Mangalore, All India rank 20,297 and NEET marks 599. At number 17, we have Jaya Jagadguru Muruga Rajendra Medical College, Davangere, All India rank 21,206, NEET marks 597. At number 18, we have Al Amin Medical College, Bijapur, All India rank 22,110, NEET marks 595. At number 19, we have S. Nijalingappa Medical College, Bagalkot, All India rank 22,147 and NEET marks 595. At number 20, we have Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences, Mangalore, All India rank 22,925, NEET marks 594. At number 21, we have Shai Manuru Shiva Shankarappa Institute, Devangere, All India rank 22,935, NEET marks 594. At number 22, we have Sri Devi Institute of Medical Sciences, Tumkur, All India rank 23,077 and NEET marks 593. At number 23, we have K. Venkataramana Gowda Medical College, Mangalore, All India rank 23,418, NEET marks 593. At number 24, we have Sri Basaveshwara Medical College, Chitradurga, All India rank 24,102 and NEET marks 591. At number 25, we have Navodaya Medical College, Raichur, All India rank 24,532 and NEET marks 591. And you can see that until 25, that is from college number 2 to 25, that is the 24 colleges, the fee structure is about 10 lakhs. Now the last 4 colleges, we have the higher fee structure, which are more or less the private universities. So at number 26, we have Kaja Bande Nawaz Institute, Gulbarga, which is offering a fee structure of 16.3 lakhs. And for this, the All India rank is 38,877 and NEET marks 565. So you can see a big drop here because of the fee structure. At number 27, we have SDM College of Medical Sciences and Hospital, Dharwad, All India rank 51,412 and NEET marks 546. The fee structure 17.45 lakhs per year. At number 28, we have Adichin Cha Nagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Mandya, for which the fee structure is 18.2 lakhs. The All India rank 68,730 and NEET marks 522. At number 29, we have Dr. Chandramma Dayananda Sagar Institute, Harohalli, for which the fee structure is the highest in Karnataka for private seats. It charges 20.2 lakhs. So the All India rank cutoff for this college is 92,478 and NEET marks 493. So you can see that the fee structure to a certain extent determines the cutoff also. The higher the fee structure, the lower the cutoff marks. We can see that. So this is the round 1 cutoff. Please leave your comments. Did you get a seat? Did you expect the cutoff to be as high as this? Because the 10 lakh fee structure college, the cutoff is 591, which is quite high. So did you expect this? Were you expecting lower? What is your plans now? Let us discuss. Thank you very much. I see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.